The Avanti GR2013CSS gas range oven is the perfect choice for those looking to maximize their kitchen space without compromising on functionality. It's more affordable than you expect, so make sure to check the price in the description below. This compact 20-inch freestanding gas range fits seamlessly into small kitchens, RVs, studio apartments, or vacation homes, offering versatility and reliability in a small footprint. Equipped with 4 sealed burners, including 1 rapid, 2 semi-rapid, and 1 simmer, the Avanti gas range oven provides ample cooking power to suit all your meal prepping needs. The automatic electronic ignition ensures that lighting the burners is always quick and easy, providing a hassle-free cooking experience. The oven boasts a spacious 2.1 cubic feet capacity, offering plenty of room for baking, roasting, or broiling. It comes with 2 oven racks, a broiler, and a broiling pan for a variety of cooking techniques, along with full-range temperature control to make sure every dish is cooked just right. Designed with user convenience in mind, this gas range oven features a seamless glass oven door, an oven light with an easy on-off switch and a 60-minute timer, which are all easy to operate. Whether you're baking cookies or preparing a full meal, these features ensure smooth operation every time. For added convenience, the Avanti GR2013CSS comes with a storage drawer, perfect for keeping your kitchen utensils or pans organized. Plus, it includes an LP conversion kit for added flexibility, an ADA-compliant design, and a backsplash with integrated oven vents that help ensure proper air circulation during use. Made from durable stainless steel, this gas range oven not only looks sleek but is built to last, making it a great addition to any home or kitchen setup. Don't miss out on this fantastic compact gas range oven. It's affordable, versatile, and an excellent choice for anyone with limited kitchen space.